Hey guys, today I have with me the Vivo Y73. The smartphone offers a 6.44-inch AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi. Vivo Y73 has a bezel-less water drop notch display. On the right spine, you'll find the volume rocker and the power button. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Vivo Y73 comes with a 64-megapixel triple camera setup with Vivo branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. Vivo Y73 comes with a MediaTek Helio G95 chipset with 12nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Vivo Y73 offers a 4000 mAh battery powered by a 33-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Vivo Y73 is Android 11 with FunTouch OS. So guys, that's it for Vivo Y73. Thank you so much for watching this video.